In this part 5 of a video series of Basic Japanese Alphabet, Hiragana, Katakana, I will show you how to pronounce nani nu ne no sounds, along with usages for daily life conversation. This is Japanese alphabet, Hiragana, Katakana, A-I-U-E-O chart. A-I-U-E-O came from the basic vowel sounds. A-I-U-E-O. Today you will learn this row, consonant N plus A-I-U-E-O. N plus A is na. N plus I is ni. N plus U is nu. N plus E is ne. N plus O is no. Nani nu ne no. If you haven't learned how to pronounce basic Japanese vowel a, I, U, E, O, please check out the part 1. Let's dive into today's sound. Na, na. It's similar to na as in noun, but you don't need to make na too much. More softer, lighter, and a little higher pitch. Na, na. And make sound through your nose a little bit. Na, na. Example usage. Nana. Nana is 7. Nana. We indicate it with nana. 7人、7歳. 7人 is 7 people. 7歳 is 7 years old. And when we describe how many things, it becomes 7つ. 7つ. For example, いくつありますか ?7 つです。And 七色 means 7 colors. 七色. Iro is color. And it also means many different kind of colors. Many different kind of things. For example, 七色の声 means 7 different kind of voices. 七色の声 often describes 4 actors who can use many different kind of voices for each different characters. 七色の声を持つ俳優. But it's also pronounced as 七. 七. For example, when we count numbers, we would go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also, 7時 is more common than 7時. 7時, 7 o'clock. But many people pronounce it as 7. 7時. I also go with 7. 7時. Another example word of na is nani. Nani means what? Nani is used for question. 何色 means what color? But it's often pronounced as nan. For example, 何の means what is it about? Or what kind? For example, 何の車に乗ってるの means what kind of car do you drive? 何の車に乗ってるの Polite conversational way is 何の車に乗ってるんですか何の車に乗ってるんですか And 何ですか is polite conversational way of 何 What? 何ですか And なんで is casual way to ask why? なんで Polite ways are なぜ or なぜですか But in daily conversation, we will say なんで or なんでですかなんでですか And 何時 is what time is it? 何時 Polite form is 何時ですか何時ですか And 何回 is how many times? 何回? Let's move on next sound. Ni. It's similar to knee as in need. But again, you don't need to do need too much. More lighter, softer. Ni. And it's shorter. Ni. And make sound through your nose a little bit. Ni. Ni is one of the particles, which means at, on, in, or to. ここにある means it's here. ここ is here. ある means there is, there are. And 日曜日に行く means go there on Sunday. 日曜日に行く. More conversational way is 日曜日に行ってくる. I'm going there on Sunday. 行ってくる means go and come back. 日曜日に行ってくる. Polite way is 日曜日に行ってきます。日曜日に行ってきます。Another example is 日本に行った went to Japan or 日本に行ったことがある I have been to Japan before 日本に行ったことがある Conversational way is 日本に行ったことがあるんだ日本に行ったことがあるんだ Polite form is 日本に行ったことがあります日本に行ったことがあります Another example word of に is ニコニコニコニコ describes smiling ニコニコする is the verb Something する is do something We usually describe it in カタカナ for these imitative words ニコニコするミキはいつもニコニコしている means Mickey is always smiling ミキはいつもニコニコしてるねいつも is always, all the time Next sound is ぬ It's similar to nu as in nude but softer and is shorter ぬ used to be used at the end of verb in a negative form. せぬやらぬ means I don't do it. But せぬやらぬ are old expressions. Nowadays we would say しないやらないしないやらない Polite forms are しませんやりませんしません、やりません。Another example word is ぬいぐるみ。ぬいぐるみ came from the word ぬ so ぬ past tense is 塗った塗った and 塗った is painted 塗った塗る is the original form which means paint 塗った塗った塗った塗ったマニキュアを塗った Most of the time when word ends with た is past tense and a lot of time past tense is consisted of small つ sound Another example is やった I did it やった and 怒った is got angry 怒った So many Japanese words are consisted of these small つ sound Please check out the video link here to learn more about small つ sound Next sound is ね ね It's similar to ね as in net but softer, lighter, and higher pitch. ね ね and through your nose a little bit. ねね We often use ね at the end of sentence. It becomes friendlier. Like かわいいね. You are cute. You look cute. Or it's cute. It looks cute. And おいしいね. おいしいね. おいしいですね. おいしいですね. And じゃあね. じゃあね sounds like bye. じゃあね. And ね is rude. But conversational way is ねっこ. ねっこ. Again, there is small t sound here. So don't say 猫. 猫 is cat. But it's ねっこ. 根っこ. 根が深い literally means deep rooted, and it describes profound issue. 根が深い. You will learn future video, but Japanese F sound, you don't need to bite your lips. Like, it's fu. It sounds like hu. ふ. 深い. 根が深い. 根が深い問題 means deep-seated problem. 問題 is problem. 根が深い問題. Another meaning of ね is nature, innate personality. 根が優しい means she or he is sweet at heart. 根が優しい. But the intonation is different. 根が優しい. 根が深い. And 根は優しい means the person looks not very nice, but actually she or he is sweet at heart. 根は優しい. The last sound is の. It's similar to no as in no, but lighter, softer, and a little higher pitch. No. We use no at the end of sentence, both statement and question. For example, 昨日病院に行ってきたの means I went to a hospital yesterday. 昨日病院に行ってきたの. 病院 is hospital. 病院 and 美容院 is beauty salon. 美容院. 病院 there is small よ sound here. 美容病院. If you like to learn more about small やゆよ sounds, please check out the video link here. But in general, no at the end of sentence more often used by women. It sounds sort of girly. But no at the end of question, it's used by men and women both. But it sounds softer. Like, 昨日病院に行ってきたの? 昨日病院に行ってきたの? Another example word of の is 飲む. 飲む means drink. It's a verb. 飲む. We have another 飲む. This 飲む often described for drink 酒. Sake is Japanese rice wine. 酒を飲む. But we often call it お酒. But mostly women use this way, お酒. But both 飲む okay to use for drink alcohol. 飲みに行く means go for a drink. 今日帰りに飲みに行かない? Sounds like, why don't we go for a drink after work today? 帰りに means on the way home. 帰りに. 今日帰りに飲みに行かない？ Polite way is 今日帰りに飲みに行きませんか？今日帰りに飲みに行きませんか？ So today I have showed this role, consonant N plus basic vowel, A, I, U, E, O. In part 6, next lesson, I will show you next role, consonant H plus vowel, Ha, Hi, Hu, He, Ho. See you on the next lesson, part 6. If you like this lesson, please like this video and be sure to subscribe so you will not miss my future lessons. Thank you for watching on Japanese Conversation with Terumi. See you soon! さようなら!